I'm not happy.
I know. No, you're not.
We told you we would share the happy times and the not so happy times.
Today is a not so happy time.
We drove an hour and 45 minutes to come get the RV today, and we were super excited. We're gonna get the RV. We're gonna get the RV. Like, we got here, we saw it, we did the inspection, we got the hitch work done. We're like posting on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, like,
Bought a bunch of stuff.
Bought like a bunch of camping stuff for the camper. We're like stoked, right? And then the hitch plate that goes to the hitch, they put the wrong size in the box at the manufacturer, I guess, when they boxed up the hitch. It doesn't work for the one that we, and then they didn't have the size that we needed, and they were going to replace the whole pin box, but then it was like, that voids your warranty. So we're like, Jesus, you know. So it's gonna be Tuesday until they get that in, and we have plans for the next 2 weekends. But I'm gonna try to take a day off sometime this week and come back. So now we gotta drive home and then be mad.
What's that, a total loss? I mean, the hitch is on, the hard part.
We have the hitch. And the bed liner cover works.
Does fit with
I
the
was
hitch.
like negative Nancy.
Yeah.
I was already kind of mad.
Yeah, you were mad that I bought this now and it's not gonna work.
I mean, earlier today, even when I saw the hitch, I was a little mad because I didn't think the bed liner was gonna work, and then we're not gonna get to take the RV, and I was just like Debbie Downer, pissed. So we're heading back home. We'll be back sometime whenever I can get a day off, because we don't want to wait 2 more weeks.
No.
To get the RV, we want to get the RV back to where we are, because we want to start camping. We want to start
put all the stuff that we have for it.
Getting stuff ready and stuff. But the good news, we got ices. Because it was hot, man. And we were hanging out in the camper for most of the day, and you know the air on and off, and everybody in and out doing maintenance and stuff. After we did the walkthrough, found a couple things to fix and stuff, so they're in and out, and so that wasn't really cool in there. And so we were hanging out in there when we were, you know, talking about the pin box and stuff. But anyway, we got icy. We're gonna cool off, and we're gonna head back. And I did do a little bit of footage, like a quick walkthrough, so I'll share that with you. And then we'll do a more detailed thing
once
later.
Get it all set up with decor and everything.
Yeah. But we're super happy about the RV. It's awesome, and we're excited about getting it. We're just really had our mind set on being able to take it today, and we're not taking it today. So silver lining.
You can play with the new toys though in the meantime.
I'm gonna try to cheer up on the ride home. And
can't be mad with an icy.
Who can be mad with an icy?
Can't be mad with an icy.
I mean, geez.
That'll always make you smile.
I mean, like, I was pissed like 30 seconds ago, but now I'm happy. Alright guys, that's it. Just wanted to, like, you know, I really want this to be real. You know, want to share the good times and bad times. Don't want to make this look like something that it's not. So now that our channel is really focusing on prepping for the RV life, I wanted to share all the ups and downs. Unfortunately, today's a down, but
it's kind of in the middle. It's an up and down.
Yeah, it'd be all right.
You'll live.
Thanks for watching. I'm gonna drink my icy. Bye.
Bye.